How to change the Storage Saver settings in Google Photos. Using the Storage Saver option helps reduce the file size of your backed up photos and videos, allowing you to save more space in your Google account without noticeably affecting everyday viewing. To get started, open the Google Photos app and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, select Photos Settings, then tap Backup. Here, look for Photos and Videos Quality and tap on it. You'll see the available backup quality options. Select Storage Saver to optimize your photos and videos for cloud storage while using less space than the original quality option. Once selected, your preference is saved automatically, and all future backups will use the Storage Saver setting. Keep in mind that this change only applies to new backups. Items that have already been backed up will be converted automatically. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Google Photos Storage Saver settings, helping you make the most of your available cloud storage. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Google Photos tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.